Hello, hello. What today? Happy Monday? Today is Monday?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now Celine, she want to open this one daw. Okay. Asan yung ano mo?
I need it.
What this where are you? Ano mo yung siya ano? This one, ano mo dito yan? Akin na mo na. Oh, ayan no. Oh, sige lang. Di slowly mo, broken yan liter. Oh, ayan. Akin na. Oh. Akin na nga muna kasi. Hindi pa naman yan, may ano pa naman pala yan, si Celine. Nila, oh. Wow, you see? Open. Wow, very nice. Coloring man lang yan. There is no, what's that man yan? No more. No more mga pencil.
You make it like that. You make it like that.
Ayan, no, that's why, oh. Ayan. This one, what's this one? Coloring din. Paper coloring o coloring mo? Ayan. Barbie pala yan. Akin na yung return here. You don't use all. Akin na, no more na.
No.
What's that lang naman yan? Sticker.
And that.
Small crayon. Akin na muna. Oh, small coloring. Pencil coloring.
I want to draw now.
I
want to draw now.
Yeah, draw. Put that one here in your table.
I was in Sala.
You go in Sala? What? There is no place. Here kasi, this one is your table. It's your table kasi yan, that's why. Oh, yela. Bring. Kina. Again. Ayan o. It's too much ano si Sisi.
And the dog.
Too much in the goggle. What's that presence? Mm. We have too much in the goggles. We have too much.
So, I'm gonna put this in.
Oh, God. Grown out ba? Too much, too much. Gaggle, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. I put pink.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you again for watching.